You came to Santa Maria Beach for the ocean, but today things look a little different. Back in October 2024, a powerful storm hit, and the Santa Maria Pier didn't come out the same. Part of it was lost, and what you're seeing now is the beginning of something new. The pier is being rebuilt, stronger, safer, and built for the future. And just behind it, right on the beachfront, a new hotel is taking shape, developed by the Spanish company Barceló. So yes, this area is changing. Right now it's busy and it's messy, but this is progress in motion. Santa Maria Beach is evolving, and this transformation is shaping its future. I'll be posting monthly updates so you can follow every step along the way. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next update.
The waves crash hard, the storm took its toll, but now we rise to reclaim our soul. Santa Maria Pier, you're standing strong again. With every oar laid, we're healing the pain. From rubble to hope, we'll dance in the light. Together as one, we'll shine so bright. Santa Maria, we sing your praise. Through the storm, you'll always amaze. Rebuilding dreams with every ray. Together we stand at the break of day. The fishermen cast their nets with hearts full of cheer. Families gather around the music we hear. Laughter fills the air as we rebuild with pride. Santa Maria.